Restaurant quality steak at home. Stop the suffering. Ever wonder why your home-cooked steak tastes like a sad, chewy hockey puck compared to the juicy, flavorful masterpieces they serve at restaurants? Well, prepare to have your steak-related existential crisis solved. Restaurant steaks aren't just thrown on a grill and hoped for the best. They use high heat, often much higher than your home stove can manage. This creates that beautiful, flavorful crust we all crave. They also understand the importance of a screaming hot pan. A cast iron skillet is your best friend here. Get it ripping hot before the steak even thinks about entering the arena. While salt and pepper are essential, restaurants often use a blend of spices to enhance the flavor. Think garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and maybe even a touch of cayenne for a kick. Don't be afraid to experiment. Find a blend that you love and generously coat your steak before cooking. Remember, seasoning is your friend, not a suggestion. The reverse sear is a game changer. It involves cooking the steak at a low temperature in the oven until it's almost done, then searing it in a hot pan for that perfect crust. This method ensures even cooking and a beautiful sear without overcooking the inside. Trust us, it's worth the extra effort. Letting your steak rest after cooking is crucial. It allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful steak. Tent it loosely with foil and let it rest for at least 10 minutes before slicing. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to steak. Ready to ditch the hockey pucks and start grilling restaurant-quality steaks at home? Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and tell us in the comments what your favorite steak cut is. Also, check out the links in the description for our recommended seasoning blends and cast iron skillets. Happy grilling!